Okay guys, so we're recording on this one now. We've just taken some shots with my camera and then they came out good.
Сейчас будем делать шашлык.
No, шашлык.
Шашлык.
Очень нравится. Шашлык is like kebab. Kebab, like just the meat on the sticks. Yeah, so I'm recording right now on the 1.4. Then, подождите. Okay, so recording on this one now. The last photos that he got me were insane. So we're gonna try these ones again now and посмотрим. Посмотрим, давай. Oh my god, there are so many kids waving out. They can see me recording and they're like, hey! Yo guys, what is up? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing a video with the Canon EOS 250D SL3, but we're going to be using a different lens today, which is so cool. I wanted to use this lens for a while now. So today we're trying out the USM f1.4, going with the Canon EOS 250D SL3. And I just wanted to see the quality and see, like, it looks really nice. Like, I've seen some photos and they look super sharp. So boom, we're going to be doing fire photography, so it's going to be super cool. I'm out here with one of my friends. We're going to be taking a video lighting the newspaper on fire, which you'll see very soon. Like, the police didn't come and we didn't burn down the city, so we're good, we're good. Don't forget to drop me a comment, guys, and also give this video a like if you do find value out of it, because it will help this video reach more people. Then try more like this. After I did these touch-ups, they were really simple, guys. They were like very small details, but the small details here really did help. So you can see where it's red and it's on fire on the newspaper. Originally it was like a kind of lighter orange yellowy color. So I just smashed a bit more red in there, gave it that really intense looking red, that like really hot fire. Darkened the background just to make it a little bit more neutral. So like the focus is gonna be on the person and the focus is gonna be on the fire.